Hi guys, I'm going to try to help you figure out how to do Schoology. So if I shared my drive with you, and these are all the keys, and I'm going to just do number 19 because I know you guys are starting at the back. So if you open that up, and this is the answer key, you're going to be typing this whole number 1 in. So right here, I'm going to highlight this if I can. No, I can't. Okay, all that blue stuff, that's what you're going to type, and I'm going to show you where to go. You can't cut and paste. That's what we've done a lot of times, and it does not allow the children to use the text to speech. So you're going to type that question. So let me help you go to my Schoology, and here it is. You're going to go to materials right here, and you're going to click it, and you're going to go down here to the blue puzzle piece. It says add assessment, and you're going to add the assessment, and you're going to put WSR number 19 or whatever number you're working on, and then you're going to put the category is going to be a scaffolding grade, and it's going to be disabled right here. So don't worry about that, and this being open to the kids is fine because it's disabled, so it doesn't matter. So then you're going to hit create, and then it's going to bring up the setup. And so the setup is going to be assessment has a time limit, no. Assessment questions are randomly ordered, no. Possible points, sure. Student can tag questions for review. So when the kids are doing this WSR, they've already done it on hard copy, and they're just putting their answers in. So they don't really need to have a bunch of question review stuff, because they should have already, they're just looking at their own answer key and clicking the multiple choice that you're creating for us. So this is no. This, can they eliminate answer choices? Sure. Can they use a calculator? We'll say yes, just cause, but we should say no because they're done the work, but we'll just say yes because we'll make it consistent. Can they use a ruler? No, they don't need a ruler. Can they use a protractor? We don't need a protractor. Yes, text to speech. Yes, they can highlight stuff. And can they use a notepad? Sure. And then they cannot see their results, and they only have one time to do it. And then you hit save, and now it's creating the test for us. So I'm going to go back. So now we can go to questions, but I'm going to go over here in my drive where I already told you it was located. And 8.8c, solve the following equation. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to put multiple choice. Am I here? Okay, so questions, and it's a multiple choice. So multiple choice. Okay, 8.8c is our, okay, 8.8c, and it is, let me go back over here again, sorry. This is probably what you're going to have to do. I would have it open on a different device, but I'm using mine as a video. Solve the following equation. I have a lot open. Okay, so solve the following equation. And then what is the following equation? 3x plus 22. It's 3 parentheses a plus 22, close the parentheses, and equals 12a plus 30. Equals 12a plus 30. Okay, so that's what they're going to be solving. So I'm going to go back and find the correct answer. And the correct answer is a equals 4. So I just need y'all to do a equals 6, a equals 4, a equals -6, and a equals -4. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna do it. And then the options are, I'm done. And it's A equals 4, so I'll click that under here where it says correct answers. And then down here for the standard, oh, so sorry, up here for the options. Nope, so then I'm gonna get rid of that. It's an extra one and I shouldn't have done that. And let's see, exact match. This has to be exact match, standard, layout, learning objective. Okay, so this one would be really helpful. That's where you're gonna put state standard. It's kind of complicated, so I'm gonna go through this. Texas, essential knowledge of skills, and then ours is the first math one, and we're math 8, and it's 8.8. So you go to 8.8, and then you're gonna pick C. And these are all labeled on the question itself, and then you hit confirm. And then it's gonna tag it as 8.8, see down here, which helps them to get a graph in Mastery to see how they do on everything. And then I'm just gonna go over here and hit save. And then it'll show that I have a question, and then I'm gonna go to question 2, but I need to know what kind of question it is. So question 2 is also gonna be multiple choice. And it's going to be, this is why we used to cut and paste it. You're going to type this whole thing in. I'm just trying to find out if there was one that wouldn't be multiple choice. It's okay. See this this table right here? It is okay for you to cut and paste the tables. Yikes. So you're not going to be able to use this one to cut and paste the tables. You'll have to go into, let me show you where that is. Into Schoology. Let me just cancel this. This is an old one that I was starting. Okay, so we're here. You'll have to go in here and get the blink one. So we were doing number 19, and you'll have to click here. And then right here, if you click on the WSR right here, this is the link to the blank one. And that way you can go and grab these graphings right here. The tables are fine to copy and paste. What you can't copy and paste is the question and the answers, because then the machine won't read it to the kids. So there you go. I hope that's helpful. If you need more help, please ask me. Thank you so much for helping.